right, so this is number 14 on Solve Quad 12. And the question says, give the maximum value in terms of k for the following function. And here's the function. So when they say the maximum value, they're saying, what is the maximum that this y value could be? So if you kind of think about what they're asking, I'm not going to draw this exactly, but you know it opens down. They're basically saying, what is that y value of where that parabola would be a maximum point? So this is really just an exercise in algebra is really all that it is. So if I want to find the maximum point, I'm going to have to say that h is minus b over 2a. So let's plug in what we know. So I have minus, my b value is minus k over 2, and my a value is minus 3/4. So let's just simplify this. So that would be a positive k over minus 6/4. So remember, this is like saying k over 1 divided by minus 6/4. Remember, when you're dividing fractions, you're going to change this to multiplication, and you're going to flip this so that it would become minus 4/6. So this would be, which I can simplify to 2/3, right? So we'll simplify that to 2/3 right there. And so this is going to become minus 2k over 3. So now I know that that is the h value or the x value of my vertex. So let's go ahead and write that up here. So now we know that the h value is minus 2k over 3. But they didn't ask me for the h value. They actually wanted to know the maximum of y. So now I have to plug this back in for x and simplify the equation. So I'm going to have minus 3/4. Now I have x, so I'm going to plug this in for x, minus 2k over 3 squared minus k. I'm going to plug this in for x, minus 2k over 3 plus 4. So you can see this is really more of an exercise in just simplifying all the algebra down. So let's go ahead and square this term. So if I have minus 2 squared, that'll be a positive 4. K squared will be k, and 3 squared will be 9. I still have to multiply by the minus 3/4. And let's multiply these together. So a negative times a negative will be a positive. This will give me 2k squared all over 3 plus 4. Now let's go ahead and multiply these two together. We can actually simplify as well, right? The 4's will cancel out. 3 divided by 3 is going to be negative 1. This will be 3, just cross reducing. So this will give me a negative k squared over 3 plus 2k squared over 3 plus 4. Well, these now have a common denominator of 3, and they both have k squared, so I can combine these like terms. So negative k squared over 3 plus 2k squared over 3 will simply give me k squared over 3 plus 4, and that would be the maximum value. Well, maybe I shouldn't say f of x, I should say k. Well, I can't use k. I'll say f of k, I guess. This will be my maximum value for the function. Oh, can't really see that right there. That'll be the maximum value. K squared over 3 plus 4.